Ladies and gentlemen,
you're rocking with the best.
I got the truth.
What up, guys? This your girl Shay from Got the Scoop, and we're about to get into your boy Roland Ray. So if you guys know, Roland Ray posted a video a few weeks ago, January 7th to be exact, with a caption that stated, "COVID almost took me out. I gotta stay for 2 weeks. My immune system isn't strong enough to fight by itself. I tried. If I missed your calls, DMs, I'll respond when the time heals me, but it's not looking too good." So Roland Ray been missing in action for more than 2 weeks, and drew me, to start thinking about him. I randomly posted, Roland Ray is on my mind. I hope all is well. That caused me to reach out to him because I don't know if you guys know, before Roland Ray got sick, me and Roland Ray exchanged words, and Roland Ray ended up following me because one of my posts about him went viral. Roland Ray and I were talking inside DMs, and I knew some things that was going on with him and his drama on social media with these people calling him out scamming. Okay, fast forward. I got an exclusive update stating that Roland Ray was inside ICU and it wasn't looking so good. So I posted it on Twitter, posted it on my Instagram, put it out there, updated everybody. The thing that I don't like is I see a lot of blogs after me start drawing concern about Roland Ray, and then even bloggers, YouTubers copying off of my story, reporting what I said, but they never want to give credit. They never want to say where they got the source from. They want to say sources or blog. No, say Shay from Got the Scoop, because I know 100% sure and for a fact nobody got an update that he was inside ICU besides my post. And what if I was lying? You guys would be out here copying and pasting lies, but you know that I don't put out no frivolous shit. Y'all know all my work, all my content be accurate and legit, so y'all just think it's easy for y'all could just come over here. And I also think it's so bogus because I genuinely started thinking about him. Y'all wasn't thinking about him. Y'all thinking about y'all views. Y'all thinking about people comments. Y'all thinking about your next story. And that shit is so bogus. Crazy how people want to eat off the next person. This person talking about this, let me talk about it too. Where's the originality? I'm so sick of it. I went through a whole year of nothing but the biggest blogs, bigger YouTubers, biggest commentators just watching my page to copy and paste off every fucking thing. Whatever I post in my bios, my link trees, discords, anything that I fucking do, and it's just oh my god, give your girl some motherfucking credit. And when I say give you credit, don't mean say my name, say my name, say my name. Stop acting like y'all really thought of this shit. Stop acting like y'all brung this thing to the table. Just give it up. But one thing I do want to bring to the table is this. Alright, so a few women hit me up, about a good 4 or 5 of them hit me up, and all of the women I noticed, they practice something, they believe in something. One is a psychic, one practice witchcraft, one just read numbers, one she believe in crystals, and all this extra, well, they all came to me basically saying the same thing about Roland Ray. So one wrote me and was like, "Hey girl, I know Roland Ray was sick. I know he said he had COVID, but that's not what got him. We went to work on him." So I saw a couple of messages what are they talking about? So I decided to respond. And a couple of women said that before Roland Ray got sick, he scammed one of them. And he went on Instagram story. I remember this. He went on his Instagram story and started ranting about people believing crystals and believing charms and that shit don't work, and just start, going against their beliefs.
Believe in charms and crystals and spiritual books and stuff like that. Nah. I'm cool with the astrologers. I'm cool with the people who like astrology, or people who like the tarot readers. I love tarot readers, but I hate spiritual people who believes just because you got them little charms on your neck that you is spiritually protected. So it's negative. Your life is negative. Your bank account negative. The people you hang around negative. And they always got some negative to say. I guess it's spur and tell you to keep your mouth closed. Ain't nothing spiritual about you. The devil's child. Activity that she made and so that charm is on your neck, and you turning around. Y'all gotta be mindful where you get these charms and spiritual shit from. The people who make them could put negative shit up in them, or have the negative energy around. If you know, you're supposed to pray to God first, more than once, before you make those shits like that with your hateful ass spirit. And that's okay. It happens to the best of us, bitch. But what I was saying is, certain people just can't sell charms, okay? They can't wake up one day and say, oh, I'm about to just sell these charms, okay? It takes energy transfers, baby, energy transfers. When I say thoughts, I mean like 2 individuals beyond your company asked me, can they send me some charms? And I looked at their page, they just started the charms, and it was just like, nah, my heart wasn't there. Then I see, like, as weeks go on, they negative, you know, they be arguing with certain people in the blogs, the comments, being crazy. But if you believe in your charms so much, why is your shit invested in responding to trolls? And you're a spiritual person.
They said he was talking a whole bunch of shit. Girl showed me text messages, correspondence, back and forth. He didn't give her the money. Long story short, baby girl, all of them said that they picked something on him. And I wouldn't want to wish that for nobody. Nobody. But I just want to say, just everybody pray for Roland Ray. I know Roland Ray is one of those influencers that really talk gritty, that doesn't give a fuck what he got to say. He don't care if he's hurting somebody's feelings. But I feel like we need to, you know, have some consideration in our heart. Like, this boy is disabled. He's out there going against everybody on his own, even though certain situation is because of him. But when it comes down to somebody's health, somebody's life, I pray for them. Even if you don't like them, just pray for them. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, are you guys worried about Roland Ray? Would you guys keep an update, see what's going on with him? Let me know, do you think that these witches and, you know, these spiritual people actually put something on him? Like, I want to know what's going on. Until then, I'll make sure I come back and update you guys on Roland Ray's state. And until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.